Hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Rebecca. I'm homeschooling mom to 5. I also own an online boutique specializing in modest apparel, and my YouTube channel is all about homeschool videos, DIY videos. I really like to make DIY home projects and that sort of thing. But this video today is my second graders homeschool curriculum for the 2019-2020 school year. This is our second year homeschooling. So let's jump in. So The Good and the Beautiful Language Arts Level 1. Now this is the old version. It is not the new version that they just released. I'm hoping I can still get the books for it. I don't want to have to print it. This is printed. I bought the PDF and printed it myself on my laser printer. But I was hoping to get the actual books and order the books, but we will see how that turns out. So we are going to go with The Good and the Beautiful Level 2 for handwriting. And for spelling, we went with Spelling UC. This is the Jack and Jill book. Level B is Math Lessons for Living Education, Level 2. Looking through it, it looks like it might not be enough, but we'll soon find out. We are also going to do The Good and the Beautiful Safety Unit this year. For art, he really likes to draw, and he wanted to learn how to draw animals and stuff like that, and dinosaurs, and so yeah. He's always asking me to put on YouTube videos so that he can learn to draw. So I went ahead and got him a bunch of art books learning how to draw. So I got drawing animals, drawing horses, more animals, and then finally dinosaurs and reptiles. And that is it for his independent curriculum choices. He will sit in for our science and Bible and history and Canadian studies. And I'll show all those in a different video. But I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, hit that bell, and subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye.